Localize me.
In this chapter, we're going to review what we've accomplished and what we have left to do. During the break, I actually went in and filled out the site a little bit. I created some views for popular and featured. I also created views for recent images and created the blocks for About Us and elsewhere on the web. That way we have more content in the site for us to affect with our theme. So we have done actually quite a bit. If we go into all of our code, the first thing we talked about was what is a theme, and basically it's just your .info file. So we went through, we created this. We also decided what our style sheets were, what JavaScript files we needed. We also assigned our different regions. The next thing that we went ahead and did was created our page TPL. This page template is kind of the global thing that deals with what your site looks like on every single page, the background colors, the header area and the footer area, and things like that. And we went in with our HTML from our designer and started replacing snippets of that with our dynamic call so that Drupal would actually produce the correct content for us. In addition to our page TPL, we created a node TPL. This is the special template that gets called anytime a node is displayed. We learned about rendering, how we can render our content, and we also can hide different elements of it so that we print it later. If we take a look in our div class content, this is where we learned to hide comments and then go ahead and render later. Another thing we talked about is different kinds of node templates. Not only did we create a regular node template, we created a specific one, a node article. And this template gets called specifically when an article is being displayed. So if we go take a look at the site that we've created, it is very, very close to what our final site is. If we do the comparison, I'm going to click tabs to our index.html. And there's a couple things we have left to do. Well, taking a look here, looks like we've got a search image that we need to still create. There's some design elements here for the submitted by area where we've got the name of the author, the tags, and also the date. We need to work on those as well. So let's go back to our current site. So we're missing a button. And this area here needs to be themed as well. So those are a couple things that we weren't able to do just with our page and node TPLs. So we're 90% there. In the upcoming series, we'll do some advanced theming and we'll talk about a new file called template.php where we can create new variables to pass to our templates and also change existing ones.